Good morning, Spectrum High School students. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020, not 2021, as I had accidentally stated last week. I apologize for that. I want to also apologize for announcements getting out a day late this week, although it shouldn't matter too much because we don't have very many announcements today. First off, hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving break. Hopefully you were able to take some time and relax and get some homework done if you had any outstanding assignments and things of that nature. So we just hope that you had a relaxing break and spent some time with some close family. Just a reminder that your teachers are really overloaded with email right now and communication via the internet. So we just want you to understand and provide some grace for them in that regard. Just have patience. They will get to your emails and they will get back to you as quickly as they possibly can. They're working really hard to do that, I know, and so please just be patient with that. Thank you for that in advance. The only other thing on the list today is birthdays, and then we'll be out the door here. So December 1st, which was yesterday, it was Will Miltich's birthday. So Will, happy belated birthday to you. Today it is Isabel Dillon's birthday, December 2nd, so happy birthday, Isabel. And then later this week, December 5th, is Mr. Benazik, Ben Benazik's birthday. So happy birthday to those folks. And lastly, hope you guys have a great week and a great weekend. Take care.